Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to change the iPhone name to put your name, for example, or any name you want to add to your iPhone name. So this is my iPhone. I will show you step by step how to change your iPhone name. So first of all we will click on settings here, settings, and then we go to general, click on general, and at the top you can click on about section. So this is the default, is click on name. Here click on name, is iPhone, it's written iPhone, so you can click here to erase, delete it. So now you can type, for example, my name in capital letters, Aryan. This is, I typed my name, Aryan. So after that click done, so now the iPhone name changed to Aryan. So if I share my own mobile data with someone, it shows Aryan instead of iPhone. So you can add any names. So now, for example, I will share my own internet. This is mobile data. Turn it on. Also, you need to turn on personal hotspot. It's on. So I will share, I got this iPhone, I will share, for example, with someone. I will share my iPhone on my name with my mobile data with someone. I need to press on personal hotspot so that the person get my mobile data. Now it shows Aryan. So click on Aryan from your phone. So now it's connected as here. The device is connected and taking my own mobile data. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.